Good morning, everyone. It's Jenny with Giggle and Hearts. Hey, I just wanted to go through my latest Disney album for you. It is a complete album. It's over 58 pages, I want to say. I didn't count all of the partial pages. I just kind of counted them as a half or a quarter or whatever. So I'm going to go through. The video might be a little long. I apologize. I will go as fast as I can. So, Disney Memories A through Z. When you purchase a pre-cut kit from me, you will get everything, including the protectors. The album is separately if you'd like one of those. And so, like the Cricut cuts, these circles on here, I will have them printed for you on the Cricut. So they're actually drawn on. And so then we're going to go through A through Z. So I'm gonna sit down for a second and get ready here. Pull up a chair. So I suggest you do too. So Adventureland is our A, and I tried to make it so that every letter has a few pictures, and then Breakfast with the Characters. I'm using the Happiest Place paper pack from Close to My Heart. And so like there's the eggs and bacons to go with Breakfast with the Characters. Then the castle, we always have lots of pictures with the castle. So there's a flip flap there. Dreams do come true. This is a 6x6 page. And then there's lots of little pictures there about your experience with Disney and all of your trips. Ears, so E is ears, smiles from ear to ear, and I would love this page with like pictures with the different ears on them. The fireworks are always something we all love, and so I tried to capture that. And then fun, and then this is good times, and it has a little flip flap there, and giggles and grins, another flip flap there. So all in all, this holds 156 pictures. Haunted Mansion, I believe they do have, they are taking pictures inside now. So I thought that would be fun to take some pictures outside and then do a smaller version of one of the pictures they took of you. The Incredibles are now at the parks and crazy popular. And so these are open pages, and I have always done this since my whole career of scrapbooking, and with that I've been a consultant for 23 years now, 24 years, and I've never had any problems with the open pictures because they're lodged between page protectors. They're always fine. Yes, they may take a little bit more damage or sun damage. You just want to make sure your albums are in a dark place. And yeah, the other thing you could do is add flip flaps to the cover of them to protect them more if that is something that truly bothers you. So Jungle Cruise is J and Kingdom is K. I put a big 6x8 picture there for you know, pictures with the castles, or I have a really great picture with the balloons. So there's that. And then love, LLL, love this, loved this. And then meeting, and I didn't really put the words Mickey and Minnie, but it's very obvious it's Mickey and Minnie. This says magical memories. And then the glove. And what I was thinking that if you haven't gone on a trip yet, you could take this hand and get your signatures from the characters on there. I don't know what's happening with the quarantine stuff. I know they're kind of limiting that, but that was my envision for the glove, is that you would get signatures on it. And so there's happy, happy, magical. I don't know. It was part of the M. And so I was trying to fit it all in. But yeah, anyways, and this page will be fun with cute pictures on them. What I do for that is before I glue these down, or I temporarily glue them down, I will trace on a photo and cut them out that way. So that's that. Same thing with this one, nap time. I don't know about you, but I am always exhausted at the parks. So it is a welcome nap time when we go back to rest our feet a little bit. So, and then sleep, dream, sparkle. I just thought that was too appropriate. And then once upon a time, I figured this would be really cute pictures, like you could do story time with Belle pictures on here, or you could do princess pictures. And then speaking of princesses, so I did a princesses pages, and these will have several spots for you to put your pictures with the princesses. And I did add in the pink color. Close to my heart didn't have pink in there, but I think it goes well. And then quarantine, well, the word Q is hard to come up with words for, but it just kind of fit for this year. So if you plan on going from now on, I'm sure they're gonna require masks, and I'm sure there's gonna be hand sanitizer stations everywhere. And so that is, that's that. And then I thought you could put some more funny pictures with different masks. And then the rides. The rides are always one thing that I can never really do pages for, because the paper just doesn't fit. So as you notice there, this bent over a little bit, so I'm gonna have to re-secure that. But the rides, I figured there was lots of spots here for rides and big 5x7, so you could take those big pictures I do. You could also put an 8x10 in the middle here, an 8.5x11 with just those big single ride pages. Oh, there's my numbering. So I number all the layouts, and this one is 39, and there is a cute flip flap there too. So, and then say Disney for S, so like say cheese, all just kind of snapshots and cute pictures is what I envision for these. You know, you could put your character pictures with these, the Donald pictures, the Goofy pictures, whatever. And then happy smiles. So any of your favorite pictures would go with this layout. And then Tomorrowland, this was a fun one. The flip flap goes this way. And so, you know, there's the cute cafes over there. There's the Buzz Lightning stuff. There's Space Mountain. And then Under the Sea at Disneyland. Under the Sea is in California Adventure, but at Disney World, it's in Magic Kingdom. And I really specifically designed this to be kind of a Magic Kingdom book. Obviously there's some more generic pages that you could add in. Vacation time is going to be your V, and so it could be anything. And then Walt's Dream, and then Today. And you know, I have some older pictures like from when I was a kid, and I may actually put them in here. I thought this was fun. I really, as being an artist, I really do admire Walt Disney for all that he's achieved. So to me, this is a special layout, but you could always just take Walt's off of there and add your own Mickey and Minnie pictures. X marks the spot. Great for pirates pictures or anything really. And then You and Me, hashtag favorite. Some more, and this was a fun page because it has, you can see the holes through it. I don't know if you could see very well on the camera, but and this is probably my favorite. I had such a good time with this. So this is just, I hand created this. This is the ice cream cones. So this is essentially a treats page, and 0 calories, because we all know that the Disney food is so yummy and it has 0 calories. So, and that is it. I hope you enjoy my book. If you would like a pre-cut kit, I will post the link, or it's giggleandhearts.com, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.